welcome back to another video with Glamorous Gems Gourmet Recipes. What's on the menu today is Baked Ziti. So I know a lot of the times we have a taste for spaghetti or lasagna, you know, things like that, and you know, it's so simple and quick to make, but Baked Ziti just kind of brings that craving of spaghetti up a notch. So I think you all will enjoy this recipe. The ingredients for it, you'll need ground turkey, your choice of spaghetti sauce. I always use the garden combination. I just love zucchini and squash in my spaghetti sauce. You need your rigatoni noodles. The seasonings I have here is black pepper, onion, garlic powder, seasoned salt, regular salt, basil, chives, and parsley, Parmesan cheese, ricotta and sour cream, 2 eggs, half a cup of shredded Parmesan cheese, and your choice of shredded cheese. So I know it's a lot of cheese, but it's going to be delicious. One thing that I don't have that I really wish I did was some kind of Italian sausage. However, I'm going to work with what I have, so we're going to go ahead and jump into it. So I went ahead and brought some water to a boil, added my noodles in, and all I did was salt that water. This is also a great time to add your, turn on your oven, and I just have it on 350. So in a heated skillet, I've added olive oil, add in your ground turkey, and we're gonna go ahead and season this. And this should cook for about maybe 10 minutes. And then we'll go ahead and get everything else together. So I'll be back in just a moment. Alright, so my pasta is now done, and all I went ahead and did was follow the box instructions. You don't want it to be too soft, so you just cook it, you boil it until it's al dente. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do is add in all of my ingredients to make my cream sauce for this. So in a separate bowl, go ahead and add in some sour cream. You're going to also add in some ricotta cheese. I'm going to also add in my shredded Parmesan cheese and a little bit of grated Parmesan cheese. You're going to also add in some salt, pepper, some basil, chives, parsley, once all of those ingredients are added, go ahead and mix this around. So once you have your mixture like this, go ahead and add in your 2 beaten eggs and mix those in. The eggs is going to keep everything nice and formed. So now I'm just going to lightly season my noodles, just very, very lightly. And now what we're going to go ahead and do, we're going to add in this cheese sauce with our noodles like this. And you're going to evenly mix this around, or evenly distribute this throughout the pasta. So So this is my completed meat sauce. I just wanted to come back and show you how it looked. All I did was, after it browned, added in my sauce. And while I was browning it, I did add in a diced onion and minced garlic. So I'll put that in the description box for you. So now we're gonna go ahead and put everything together. And I'm gonna go ahead and put some meat on the first layer. Next, I'll go ahead and put some pasta there. And I think I have just enough to do 2 layers, and I'm gonna lay it flat just like this. The next thing you'll do is you'll sprinkle on some cheese. And repeat. Your last layer of cheese. You'll sprinkle some parsley on top, just for color. And this will bake in the oven for about 45 minutes to an hour. Once it's done, I'm gonna go ahead and pull it out, and I'll plate it and come back and show you the finished product. All right, everyone, so this is the finished baked ziti. It came out perfectly. I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes before I serve it. And once it's done sitting, I'll plate it and show you how it looks. All right, everyone, so this is the finish. As you can tell, it's still nice and hot. It's delicious. I've tasted it, so I'm gonna go ahead and just show you how it looks. So it's nice and cheesy, and you see the ricotta cheese. And all I basically do with this is I'm gonna go ahead and garnish it with some Parmesan cheese before I try it. I'm gonna go ahead and take a bite because this is what I know everyone's been waiting for. So I hope that you all would try this recipe. Definitely let me know how it turns out for you. Leave comments down below, and also subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, I will see you all in the next video. Bye.